Welcome to the journey of the perfect wool coat. When you feel the density of this fleece, you understand the quality. It's breathable, incredibly soft, and sustainable. The real secret to this quality is the incredible fiber density. Look closely at how tightly packed these fibers are.
It's incredible how intuitive she is. How do you communicate with her?
It's mostly whistles and hand signals. She knows exactly what they mean.
The quality of the wool starts right here with this pristine water. It's essential for the health of the flock and the fleece they produce.
The flock must move quickly now if they are to reach the main barn before sundown for the annual inspection.
Maintaining hoof health is crucial for animal welfare standards here on the farm. We check them regularly for any signs of lameness or infection.
Here you go, buddy. This special mix gives them all the vitamins they need to grow that beautiful wool. He absolutely loves these pellets.
From the quiet moments of morning feeding to the sweeping expanse of the valley, the rhythm of the day guides the flock's journey.
Looking at the timeline for the harvest, we typically begin the shearing season right here at the end of April and push through May.
It's partly coming. Welcome everyone. It's a pleasure to introduce our expert shearing team for the season.
Thank you. We're looking forward to it, Shane.
Good to be here.
Keep the blades well oiled. Now switch them on and listen for the consistent buzz, making sure there's no excessive vibration.
So what exactly is the difference between grease wool and clean wool? Well, this raw wool still has the lanolin in it. Easy now, easy. We're just gonna get you comfortable. That's a good sheep.
Look at this incredible texture. Oy.
We have to skirt the wool immediately after shearing to remove the dirty edges. This step is vital for maintaining the high quality of the fleece.
When you squeeze the raw wool like this, you can really feel that natural lanolin. It's incredibly greasy, almost like a wax.
All right, keep the wool coming. We need to get this yellow pack pressed and sealed quickly.
We load the bags, activate the hydraulics, and watch as the fleece is compacted down into a transportable bale. By applying this stencil code directly to the wool bale, we ensure complete traceability back to this very farm. Off to the factory. Hoase! Automator Excellent. Welcome to the processing plant.
These thousands of fine wire teeth work in perfect synchronization, catching the raw wool. This is where the fibers are teased. This is the carded wool web. It's so fine and delicate that you can actually see the light passing straight through the fibers.
The drawing process is mesmerizing. Look how the thick sliver is rapidly stretched and elongated, thinning the fibers. The spinning frame applies the necessary twist to the fibers. This interlocking motion is crucial.
In this section, we utilize these large vats for the dyeing process. The vigorous bubbling and steam are... We use this mechanical system to ensure an even submersion into the vat, guaranteeing consistent color across the entire batch.
Perfect navy blue. Achieving true color fastness means ensuring the dyes bond perfectly with the fibers.
which is exactly what this steaming process does.
This is where the magic happens, but first, I need these.
The vertical threads you see being loaded here are called the warp. This machine tensions each one perfectly before weaving begins.
This is a classic example of a twill weave. You can clearly see the diagonal rib pattern here, unlike a plain weave, which would be a simple crisscross.
This textile here begins its life here. And as we step into the loom hall, you can hear the true symphony of industry. This is what we call grage goods. It's very rough right now, so it has to go through several finishing processes to become soft. As you can see, the white fabric moves rapidly into the finishing line, where it passes through these steam rollers.
So soft now. As you can see, the robotic arm ensures that every cut is perfect, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency.
By optimizing the nesting of these pattern pieces on the CAD software, we significantly reduce fabric waste in the cutting process. The software optimizes the pattern layout, sending the instructions directly to the laser module for immediate production.
That's a perfect cut. The edges are incredibly clean.
How difficult is it to get the tension just right on this fabric?
It requires a steady hand, but the machine handles the tension.
Attaching the lining correctly is vital. It protects the wool shell's structure and allows the garment to drape properly.
That's not coming off.
Heck, oh yeah.
Past inspection.
And here we transport the completed pallet directly to the shipping dock, ensuring rapid and efficient dispatch.
The fit on this piece is exquisite, really hugging the silhouette. And the warmth provided by this luxurious wool blend.
There's nothing quite like New York in the winter, especially when you're dressed for the weather. The wind is really howling today, but with this coat, I barely feel the cold. It's surprisingly warm.
Wow, that coat is absolutely stunning. Let me feel that fabric.
Isn't it? It's so warm too. I love the collar.
It's amazing to think that this luxurious wool started out here on these very sheep. From these heights, you can truly see the potential of our city.
As you can see, the reinforced stitching provides incredible strength. This coat is built to last, combining high-tech materials.
Our sustainable wool process ensures that from the pasture to the product, we adhere to the highest ecological standards, as shown here.
And that's a wrap on the wool process. We finally did it, guys. And cut.
Great job, everyone.